Ever wonder what powers the impressive capabilities of artificial intelligence? What makes Siri answer your questions or Alexa turn on your lights? It's all thanks to AI processors, the unsung heroes of the AI world. These powerhouses are the heart of every AI application, from your voice assistant to autonomous cars. But as AI continues to evolve, so does the need for customized processors, tailored for specific AI tasks. In the next few minutes, unravel the process of building a custom AI processor. The first step in building a custom AI processor is to understand your specific requirements. This is much like a chef knowing the recipe before starting to cook. Your requirements are your recipe. They define the tasks your AI processor will be handling. Will it perform image recognition tasks, natural language processing, or something entirely different? This decision will shape your processor's design. The next part of understanding your requirements is deciding the computational capabilities of your processor. This involves considering the complexity of the tasks it will perform and the speed at which it needs to perform them. You should also take into account the power consumption. Will it be a power-hungry beast or a lean, energy-efficient machine? The level of flexibility required is another crucial factor. You might need a processor that is adaptable and can handle a wide variety of tasks, or one that is specialized and optimized for a single task. Once you have a clear picture of what your processor needs to do, you can move on to the next step, choosing your hardware. Now that you have your requirements, it's time to choose your hardware. In the world of AI processing, there are several hardware options to consider. Let's start with graphics processing units, or GPUs. These are great for running complex computations and data parallel tasks, making them ideal for machine learning applications. However, they can be power-hungry, and their performance can be overkill for simpler tasks. Then we have application-specific integrated circuits, or ASICs. These are custom chips designed to perform a specific task very efficiently.